In this video, I'll show you how to use the trading bot quickly and easily on the Bybit platform. If you want to get the best sign up bonus, you might just need to scroll down to the video description, click the link, and you'll land on this exact page where you can see the welcome bonus of up to $30,000. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that the bonus depends on how much you deposit and trade. Then you simply need to enter your email and password here and click to claim your welcome bonus. After registering your account and successfully depositing money, you'll go to the tools section, scroll down to find this trading bot section. Click on it and this will be the interface. You can click here to use it. You can choose the coin you want to trade, then decide if you want to trade spot or futures. You predict if the market will go sideways, up or down. For example, let's choose Bitcoin, use futures and predict it'll go up. Click get here and Bybit will suggest a bot for you so you can start using it right away. Just click start now, it's automatic. To set up, just enter the amount you want to trade. For example, the minimum here is $400. Let's enter $500. Then you can click create now, or you can also check out more strategies here suggested by Bybit's AI. Click to select. Here you can click to use this preset for an uptrend market with 10x leverage and price range from 108 to 125. The grid is 26. You can click here to see more. With this grid, when Bitcoin touches this level, it will open an order. As it goes down and hits this level, an order will open. Scrolling down, you'll see it will open about 26 orders. Then you can scroll down a bit to the bot creation section. Here you can create bots and scroll down. There's also a part about AI performance here. It gives strategies to help you make profits. Scroll down. There's also runtime info here, about 500 days or so. Bitcoin's at 50, likely to rise. You can also click here to copy, then just enter the number here. Lowest is $183. You can enter $200 to find. To learn more, read the articles below. There will be guides here. Usage guides for each boss type and FAQs are here. Scroll down and read before using. There are 9 FAQs. Read all to understand more about Bybit's boss. Don't forget to create a Bybit account using the link in the video description to get rewards up to $30,000 when you register a Bybit account. And if you have questions or concerns, you can leave a comment below in the comments section of this video. I'll answer you.